Okay, good afternoon, guys, and welcome to our DT 2020 group. I'm Sunita Hill, and my group members are Ronald Granderson and Adriana Sosa.
Our problem. Many people want healthier lifestyles and want to be able to provide their own food for themselves. The problem with that is many people don't have the space nor funds to make an urban garden in an urban environment. We interviewed three grades in our school, and we found out that 67 people had space for a garden, and 62 people didn't, and 75 people were interested in this topic, and 28 people weren't.
Who does this affect? Our problem has an influence on many people in our own community. Not being able to garden in an urban environment impacts many students at E3. It may even impact our teachers and staff. If people have had access to gardens in the comfort of their own homes, it could reduce the need for people to have to go outside to stores and be at risk for catching COVID-19. Having a garden that you can maintain yourself is not just beneficial to having a nice diet, but can also keep your immune system safe.
Our purpose. The purpose of our project is to share our knowledge about gardening. We want to teach people how to effectively garden while still being cost efficient and without having to use up too much space in their house. We are making videos that are short and easy to follow so anyone can learn how to garden at their own benefit. And our project shows how anybody can garden in the comforts of their own home just by a simple water bottle at hand.
Benefits of growing your own plants. Some of the benefits that can come from growing your own fruits and vegetables are fresh fruits and vegetables are higher in nutrients than those in the grocery store. Gardening is a natural stress reliever. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables is one of the most important things to do in order to have a healthier lifestyle. Growing your own fruits and vegetables save money. Gardening increases physical activity and you could burn up to 400 calories per hour of gardening.
Our process. Once we realized that our group wanted to teach people how to garden, we figured out we figured out exactly what we could do to create our product. At first, we thought about making a garden that students can go to and grow their own plants, but we soon realized that it would take too long and we didn't have enough funds. My group realized that many people did not have the space at home in order to garden their own things. As our statistics shows, many people were interested in learning, but those same people didn't know how to go about it. My group thought that many people could benefit by learning from videos that we could teach each other, that we could teach how to garden.
The science. A plant makes its own food through a process called photosynthesis. And in photosynthesis, a plant uses the energy from the sunlight to change carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil into sugars called glucose. Glucose is a sugar that plants use for energy.
So these are the videos my group has created. We had a last video, but it didn't go through because I'm not in San Diego currently. So yeah, these are the only two videos we have.
What's up, Earth Gang? Welcome to this year's DT 2020. Alrighty, Earth Gang, in order to keep these videos short, today we will only be showing you the materials you will need in order to make your garden. First things, of course, you're going to need some water bottles. Next, you could get some potting soil, that's $4.99 at Target. Then you're going to want to grab your pair of scissors. Then go ahead and grab your seeds of your choice. I chose to do lavender. Now that you have all of the materials that you need, you can now go ahead and click on our next video and start gardening. What's up, Earth Gang, and welcome to this year's DT 20.
There's another video. And then you can play the second one.
Welcome back, Earth Gang. Today we're going to be showing you the steps to make your perfect garden. Okay, Earth Gang, the first step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to take your scissors and your water bottle, and you're going to want to safely cut the water bottle in half. Make sure you yourself. So step 2 is to take your potting soil and your half-cut water bottle, and you're going to want to put your soil into the water bottle.
90.
Once you have your potting soil into the water bottle, you're going to want to make a little hole in the middle or wherever you want your plants to start growing. Once you have that hole in the middle, you can take your seeds and you can place it into your little half-cut water bottle with soil in it. If you're using lavender like me, you don't need to put your seeds very far down. You can put them near the surface. But if you are doing a different plant, you may want to look up the requirements that plant needs in order to grow. Alrighty, Earth Gang, don't mind my cat checking out the new plants that are going to be coming soon. But once you have finished all those steps, you have a nice new home for your little plants. And all you need to do after that is make sure you water them to their desired needs, and you'll have beautiful plants growing in no time.
Okay, thank you so much. Do you guys have some, Ms. Farrell, do you have some questions?
I do. You interviewed children. Is that in the beginning? Did you interview
We
children?
interviewed students. And we interviewed the freshman, sophomore, and junior class.
Oh, I was going to ask you what the ages. So, okay. And then did you research the type of vegetables? So some grow better with your homegrown garden than others?
Oh,
Like-
yes. We researched that strawberries and also herbs and stuff like lavender or different types of herbs like that grow better in small environments. So yeah.
Okay, very good.
So you said herbs and, I'm sorry, you said herbs and strawberries?
Blueberries, yeah, they can also grow pretty well.
I like the concept of having little videos to show people how to garden and everything. I wonder if you consider, because you know sometimes people don't want to see the plastic bottle. I wonder if you considered ways to decorate the outside of the bottle. So
Oh yeah, that was you can make your own personal spin on whatever you want for the bottles. It can be up to you. That's also another fun thing to do. But yeah, we wanted to teach people how to do this because it works really well in apartments. I did this in an apartment myself, and yeah. And
okay. So I just sent everybody the evaluation to fill out, and I think this is a good thing because, as you know, it's hard to get to the stores now, and I don't know if you all had an opportunity to get to the stores, but they're pretty slim on stuff. So I went to 3 stores to buy some potatoes and couldn't find them. So I think this comes at a really good time to be gardening at home and stuff. I wonder if you all thought about doing homemade aquaponics or hydroponic systems as well.
oh yeah, we thought about that, but then we wanted our videos to teach how to show people how to garden with something simple, like something that's starting out. But if people do want to grow their garden into something bigger, they definitely can make it aquaponics hydro garden. But yeah.
Okay. And so what was your favorite part of the DT process?
I think my favorite part was the idea phase, because when we realized that we wanted to like show people how to garden, there were so many ways to go about it. But we eventually ended up, because we realized we couldn't have the funds or the time, because if we wanted to actually make a garden for the school or a place that kids can actually go to, it would take months, and like up to 16 months. So that's why we ended up with videos. But yeah.
Now, did you do the videos in the virtual space?
Did I do the videos in the virtual?
Did you guys film the videos in the virtual space?
Oh yeah, we did, and we edited them together and stuff. So yeah.
Okay. Ronald, what was your favorite part?
Mine would probably have to be the beginning, just because like figuring out an idea to show people is like the best part, because you can come up with many different things.
Okay. And then Adriana.
Oh, my favorite part was also the beginning stage because we were just all together putting out new ideas, and it was nice hearing new ideas and then figuring out what we wanted to do our project on.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, very good.
Go ahead.
No, I said it was very good. I liked it.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So go ahead, everyone. I'll give you about 4 minutes to complete the evaluations, please.